Welcome to the installation video for the Xyconyx Hyperlink tool for HPTRIM and HP Records Manager. We'll start by firing up the MSI, either the 64-bit or the 32-bit, depending on your machine. Then we'll go through a fairly standard setup wizard. You can choose to install to something other than program files, Xyconyx Hyperlink, or leave it where it is. And you can choose a different URL tag. This will appear at the start of all of your hyperlinks. The default is EDRMS. And now we'll click Next and wait while Xyconyx Hyperlink is being installed. The code needs to be installed on every client machine that will be using the Hyperlink tool. And once it's installed on one, it can be added to the server as an external link. Right, let's close up the window here and see what we've got. Down in Program Files under Xyconyx, we've got Xyconyx Hyperlink. There are a couple of PDFs that show you how to use the tool, and also some vital files here, the two exes and two config files, and both these four files are what are needed for the program to run. You can do without the others. If we have a look in the config files, you'll see that there's an app setting XX hyperlink with a value of EDRMS. Now that value is the URL tag, which would have been changed if you'd changed EDRMS during setup. That needs to be here and in the other config file. In addition to that, we have a change to the registry. We've added to HKey classes root an EDRMS key. Now that again, that is the URL tag that was defined during setup. It may be different if you've changed it. Under there we have the default URL EDRMS protocol, which is required, and an empty URL protocol key. Then there's a default icon, which you can have as well, which is nice. There's the shell open command, and the default for that is wherever the software was installed. And we're calling the XX Hyperlink exe. This is what goes off and gets documents from TRIM or HPRM. Don't forget the %1 if you're setting this up differently. And now you're all done and you're ready to go off and set up the external link in TRIM or Records Manager and start using the Hyperlink tool.